Within the first 7 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 14 exclusive heat pump installation leads at a cost per lead of $31 with a total ad spend of $434. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how our lead generation funnel helps home improvement companies consistently and predictably get more leads, book more jobs, and grow their business. Now, here's our full lead generation funnel, and our lead generation funnel starts with the right offer. Then we're going to come up with ad creatives, and then we're going to run the ads on Facebook and Meta. Now I'm going to break each down throughout this presentation. Next is going to be our rigorous qualification process, where we're going to filter out bad leads from the good leads, so our end clients only receiving high quality leads. Now, once people submit the form, we're going to have our backend automation follow up with the leads, make sure they're serious and that they've given us their correct phone number. Now, if the leads are serious, we're going to send them to our end clients where they can call and book the estimate and go from there. If we don't get a reply from the leads, we're going to follow up with them till we get a yes. And for the bad leads who putting invalid phone number or they just reply that they're not interested, they're going to go down the trash and our end clients are never even going to see them. All right, now, first thing is going to be the offer. Now, your offer and your ad creatives are the only levers that you have, because the rest is going to be up to Meta's algorithm, where they're going to do the heavy lifting of showing the ads to the right people and all that. But the only thing we have control over is ad creatives and the offer. Now, for the offer, you want to come up with something unique. You want to package your offer in a way that looks and sounds attractive, so you're going to make it easier for people to say yes to. Now, for this client, heat pump starting from $8,900 installed. Now, the reason we like to put some sort of a pricing in the ads is because that's going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Now, as you can see in the video here, you have the upfront prices and financing available, 0 down, $125 a month. 10 years parts and labor warranty, a free smart thermostat for the next 7 installs, which is going to incentivize people to take action now rather than later. And then we've got next day installations as well. Now for targeting. So on Meta, we can target, by zip code, city, radius. And for this client, we're targeting a 50-mile radius. For age, we're going after 34 to 64 plus, because these are most likely homeowners, male and female. And for placement, which is where we want to show the ads, we want to only show it on Facebook and Instagram, feeds and reels. And we're just running these ads on mobile devices only, because over 80% of the traffic comes through mobile, so we don't even bother with desktop. Now, once people see the ad,
do not replace your HVAC system until you see this. Georgia homeowners can now upgrade to a brand new 2026 heat pump system starting from $8,900 with a 10-year parts and labor warranty plus a free smart thermostat for the next 7 installs. It cools your home in the summer and heats it in the winter, all in one system, while using less power to help lower your energy bills. Or get started with $0 down and around $125 a month. Click Get Quote below, answer a few quick questions, and receive your free, no-obligation quote today.
So again, as I said, Meta's algorithm is smart enough to know who to show the ads to, to the people who are most interested in, say, HVAC installs, heat pump installs. So they're going to do the heavy lifting. And once people see the ad, our call to action is to get a quote. So once they click on Get Quote, we're going to take them through our rigorous qualification process, which is around 4 to 7 questions. So first question is, are you a homeowner? Next, what runs your HVAC system? Third question, approximate footage of the property. And the last question is, how soon are you looking to install your new heat pump? Now, we've got logic on the back end of these forms. So say if somebody selects, if you ask them, are you a homeowner, and they select no, we could just disqualify them and not let them come through as a lead. Or say, how soon are you looking to install the new heat pump? If they select not sure, still planning, budgeting, we can disqualify these people. And then at the end, we're going to ask full name, email, phone number, and zip code, or whatever else we want to ask. Now, once the leads submit the form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away. Now, these leads come into our system as new leads. And we're going to have a robust backend automation that's going to follow up with these leads to make sure that, number one, they've given us their correct phone number, which is going to increase contact rates. And number two, that we're going to confirm that they actually want an estimate. So our automation is going to send an SMS to every lead that comes in, and it's going to sound something like this. Hey, John, saw your Facebook form come through for a heat pump quote. Reply yes to confirm this is the best number, and we'll book your free estimate. Now our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, it's going to automatically reply back saying, perfect, thanks for confirming. I'll give you a call shortly to go over your options and book your free estimate. Talk soon. Now again, two things this does: validate the phone number, and is going to confirm that they actually want an estimate. Right after the leads reply with a yes, we're going to send that leads instantly to our end clients via SMS and email, where they can call and book that in-home estimate. So all the information that they fill it out on the form: name, email, phone number, zip code if they're a homeowner, heat source, property size, and timeline to start. And that's about it. Now, if you own an HVAC business or a home improvement business and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and grow your business, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a quick 15-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this system makes sense for you. Thanks for watching.